Hi, I'm Chef Maeve, and when I think of summer, I think of an ice cream sandwich. Today, we're gonna do a twist on it by doing an M&M cookie sandwiched with Finlandia's chocolate buttercream. So we are gonna start with 1 pound of butter, 7 cups of confectioner's sugar. So we're gonna put in about half, and we're gonna get the party started. And you'll see it starting to get together. Go ahead and stop it, add in the other half. You'll see it starting to combine. This is when we want to add in our milk. Slowly add in our cocoa powder. I just want to give you guys a really good close-up. It almost looks like milk chocolate. You don't want it too chocolatey. Fill up a bag, and we're gonna just do a little circle, and then we stick it on here, and then you use your favorite sprinkle of choice. Campers, this is one summer treat you don't want to miss.